Alright guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you all how to change a fire alarm. Now ours died a few days ago. Tried changing the battery, didn't work. Tried everything else, didn't work. So I know it's dead. So I've got a new one here and I'm just going to replace it just like so. It's something so simple, yet there's so many people that don't know that. I get so many messages asking how do you do it. So here we go, nice and simple, show you how to do it. So I've got a nice sturdy chair here. Say it's sturdy, well it's the only thing that I've got. So climb up. I'll put the new one down just while I do this.